Combining art with science, the Electrolux-Icon Infinite Cooking System, featuring induction technology, provides the ultimate in control, flexibility, and efficiency for a cooking experience that is unusually effortless.
I'm a food stylist and a chef, and I cook for a living. I cook every day of the week, not only for my family, but for many others and for my job. I actually have a gas range, and I would trade it in. The induction cooktop works just like a gas stove, if not better. The efficiency level is so much better. You get 80% efficiency versus 30% on gas, because if you think about your gas stove, your flames are flying everywhere and it's not necessarily cooking your food evenly. Where you think you have that control, you really don't. On a cooktop like this, you really have great control.
Induction cooking is precise. Temperature changes are instantaneous, and the keep warm setting can maintain a constant temperature indefinitely without overcooking. Heat is created when an electromagnetic element comes into contact with steel cookware. In short, the pot becomes the heating element while the cooktop remains cool. As the cook surface remains cool, foods do not burn or stick, making cleanup easy. And compared to either gas or electric cooktops, energy consumption is significantly less. The Electrolux-Icon Infinite Cooking System is one of the fastest cooktops in the industry. Rapid heat acceleration delivers a maximum 3,200 watts, approaching professional level specifications. 6-inch, 7-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch induction zones combine to create a remarkably versatile cook surface for ultimate flexibility. Unlike slower gas or electric cooktops, induction begins heating the pan instantaneously, so far less time is spent waiting for the water to boil.
I actually think it heats quicker than my gas stove, and I have a lot of BTUs on my stove, and this would definitely heat faster.
15 preset touch settings are digitally controlled to immediately raise or lower the temperature of the pan to the exact level desired. It starts cooking virtually immediately to provide a level of digital heat control that inspires confidence in even the more particular chef. Precise temperature settings for sometimes difficult to prepare items are easily recalled, relieving the guesswork required with other cooktops.
You know, the beauty of this is if you saw the chocolate, the fondue, you can actually put the chocolate right on the stovetop and melt it. I don't know any stove out there that you can do that on. On my gas stove, it would just be burned to bits. Where on here, you melt the chips right on the cooktop, and it sits there for hours, and it stays beautiful.
The Electrolux-Icon Infinite Cooking System offers a remarkably versatile cooking surface, enabling you to keep prepared foods at serving temperature without overcooking, and ample power for virtually any recipe. The Infinite Cooking System creates heat only after sensing the presence of cookware on the cooking surface. Since the entire cooking vessel is the actual heating element, induction heats quickly, and unlike gas or electric cooktops, which create a heat ring at the bottom of the pan, induction heats evenly. Although the Infinite Cooking System's elegant appearance provides the perfect excuse to purchase new cookware, any cookware that will react to a magnetic field may be used.
The pan that I was cooking the steaks in was $12 at, a major store. Can you use expensive cookware? Yeah, sure, it's great stuff, but you do not need to at all. As long as a magnet sticks to the bottom of it, you're good to go.
The cook surface sensors automatically detect proper cooking vessels and eliminate inadvertent turn-ons from setting down items like spatulas and spoons. For safety, digital controls enable temporary lockout or shut-off for up to 18 hours. The cooktop surface remains cool to the touch, making cleanup easier because spills do not burn or stick.
I made candy. I had to make, it was called broken glass candy, and anybody who's ever made candy, it melts at a very high temperature, and you spill that on anything, and it is just not coming off. If you have a gas stove, which is what I did, I spilled it on some of the grates, and I got it down below, versus the cooktop, as soon as you spill it, all you do is just wipe it up, and it goes away. It's wonderful.
With an induction cooktop, virtually no heat is wasted, since the heat goes straight to the pan. Gas and electric cooktops radiate excess heat into the air and use more energy. The Infinite Cooking System provides a more comfortable, energy-efficient kitchen.
You have a lot of control, but really the biggest impact that you'll see from that is the heat factor. When I'm working on my gas stove, which has 6 burners on it, if I've got 5 of those burners going, the heat just from that, it's horrible. But here you don't have that heating element. You've just got the food that's keeping warm, and you don't have the flame coming out from 5 and 6 different burners.
Used in homes and restaurants throughout Europe and the world, Electrolux has over 30 years' experience producing induction cooking products. Proven reliable and dependable, improvements to this technology have resulted in a remarkable cooking instrument that is unrivaled in performance, efficiency, and beauty. The Electrolux-Icon Infinite Cooking System, designed for the well-lived home.